what's interesting that what we really want to be able to do is start interacting with Mongo. Yes? To do that, we're going to have to install mongoose, the mongoose library, which we just are introducing. And to do that, we are going to use npm. So npm, again, npm stands for Node Package Manager. So one of the things that we'd like to be able to do is install new packages. In this case, mongoose. Mongoose, we'd like to install mongoose. Let's do that. Say npm install, right, and then the name of the library. And I just happen to know that the library is called mongoose. Right? If we do that, it's going to go and fetch the library from a repository, from a Node JS repository, which you can find at npm js.com. And so here are a plethora of free open source modules, node modules, that anybody can contribute. I encourage you to perhaps create your own node modules and publish them here, and you can, folks can then do npm install, your very cool Node.js module, and then you can become famous and whatnot. So there's several packages that are very, very famous. They've changed this a bit, but you can search through here some of these libraries. Most of them are open source.